Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Excalibur opened in 1990 as one of the defining theme mega-resorts of early modern Las Vegas. Built by Circus Circus Enterprises, the concept was simple and bold. A full medieval castle designed at the scale of a major hotel. When it debuted, it was the largest hotel in the world, showcasing an era when resorts competed not just with luxury, but with imagination. The theme drew heavily from the legends of King Arthur. Turrets, coloured spires, portcullises, and castle facades shaped the identity of the property. It was part of a wave of highly themed resorts including Treasure Island, Luxor, and New York, New York, each designed to offer an instantly recognisable world the moment guests stepped inside. Excalibur's castle silhouette became one of the most photographed icons on the southern end of the strip. Inside, the resorts originally leaned even harder into the medieval concept. Early attractions included a themed midway, animated characters, and design elements resembling banquet halls, fortress walls, and tournament arenas. Over time, many of the more literal themed features were scaled back as Las Vegas moved towards more contemporary resort design. But Excalibur kept its identity through its architecture and overall style. One of the property's most enduring features is the Tournament of Kings dinner show, inspired by Arthurian legend. It has been running since the early 1990s, making it one of the longest-running productions in Las Vegas. The show combines jousting, stage combat, and live performance, reflecting the original concept behind the entire resort. Excalibur also forms a strategic link in the MGM resort cluster at the southern end of the strip. Walkways connected directly to both Luxor and New York, New York, and the free Mandalay Bay tram ties all three properties into a single continuous resort zone. This makes Excalibur a key part of the pedestrian flow between the major hotels in this area. Ownership shifted when Circus Circus Enterprises evolved into Mandalay Resort Group, and later when MGM Mirage, now MGM Resorts International, acquired the company. Under MGM, Excalibur has undergone several renovations to modernize the interior, update the casino, and refine guest areas while keeping the castle theme intact. Despite the transformations around it, Excalibur remains one of the most recognizable landmarks of the strip. Its castle design, its long-running shows, and its place in the evolution of themed mega-resorts make it a snapshot of an era when Las Vegas embraced entire worlds within a single property. The resort stands today as both a functional modern hotel and a reminder of a chapter in the city's history defined by creativity, storytelling, and large-scale theme design.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.